Hey Joakim, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool material here, and basically what this is a two-step ladder. If you see the one that we got right here is from a brand called HBTower, and we got, remember in the past I actually reviewed a few other ones with this brand before, which is basically a three-step ladder and also a four-step ladder. That's a two-box option in the top. So first I'm going to open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So the product is all nicely wrapped up, but let's take off the wrapper as well. So inside they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to put it away and how to set it up. But once you guys take off the wrapper, here is basically what the product looks like. So you probably want to take off the top part here as well. Once you guys do take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So the way how to design this one is actually very similar to the other one I showed you guys in the past. But the only difference, like I mentioned, is the fact that it's two-step option instead of three-step option. So top over here, we do have a cushion for you guys to grip it really easily. Right here, they do have the brand logo, and they do have the non-slip material. So that way, when you guys do stand on here, it won't slip. And then for the bottom part, they do have a very nice design. So that way, when you guys do set it up, it won't move around. And it is made out of high quality material, which is pretty nice compared to a lot of other step ladders out there. If you guys turn to the back, here is basically what the back part looks like. So literally all you need to do is just push it. And make sure you guys push it all the way. And then once you guys do that, this is what the product looks like. So if you guys are curious about what the weight capacity that's on here is 500 pounds. So as long as you guys are under that weight limit, then you should be fine. But let's step on top right here and test it out to show you guys how it works. So you see once we step on here, it actually supports it pretty well. And if you guys notice when we're moving, it's actually super stable. And when you guys come down, you do have the little cushion option right here to hold it when you guys do come down, which is pretty nice. And then once you guys are done using it, you do have the option to close it right here with the handle option. So just like that. So very easy and very simple to use it. And I love the fact that how it's so compact and portable. So that way you can fold it up and just slide it somewhere in the corner to actually put it away. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we did unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for the two-step ladders, I still have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys will need one of these. But if you guys are trying to look for a higher step ladder that has like 3-step or 4 steps, you probably want to get like a bigger one instead. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.